Alright, we're going to start bonnet cleaning.
This one's not been cleaned in at least like 8 years. The person that lived here for a long time. And it's going to take a long time to get all this stuff out. So far it's doing okay. But this has been a long time since I had anything done to it.
Now we're going to show the living room, but we also have a bedroom that's got some pretty good stains in it too, but just to keep the videos a reasonable length, we're just going to mess with the living room.
Yeah, by the time we get down to the living room, it'll be time for both of us to get to work, and there won't be nobody to make videos, so we can mess around for 15 minutes or so, and then we got to both get after it. We still got a busy day.
Yeah, I'll show you, we're on an external battery right now, which is just one of those pocket chargers to charge up your cell phone, but you can actually take the battery out of the camera and you can just run it off of one of these if you want. So instead of having to find batteries that fit these cameras, this camera allows you to do that, so that's kind of a nice extra feature. But if you see a cord dangling in front of the lens here and there, that's what it is. It's a cord off of this battery pack. So you got a little paint spot in the carpet there. So earlier today we did these floors with the orbiter, and we just cleaned them. We're not putting down the finish or anything. That's up to the maintenance people if they want to do that. But so this machine's done a lot of work today because we've done all the VCT, the floor tiles, and we're doing the carpet with it. So it's really earning its keep today.
The real secret to these machines is on clean carpet, you can go real fast, and you can do a room like this in 3.5 minutes, a room this size, but when they're dirty, just hover on the stains a little bit, and you know, you see hover there, and when the stain seems to have lifted up.
This is a gouge.
That's like
where a cigarette was dropped. There's another one there. And this carpet has quite a few of those little
hover on your dirty areas, like right here, just hover on it, and it'll come out. Everything does. Anything that don't come out with this will come out with ammonia and a iron.
been about 5 minutes to get this far into the carpet. And this has been a pretty dirty carpet. These stains have been in here, or the dirt that's in here has been in here a long, long time, so it doesn't come out quite as easily as it does on some of the other videos we've shown.
Some of this has been in there for years.
Yeah.
They had it covered up with something and nobody ever saw it until they moved out. So, we'll get it.
Alright, I'm going to pause the camera temporarily so I can have 2 clips because they get too long and they take forever to upload. So
Hang on, hang on.
back. Oh, hold on.
Wait and pause here a second because I'm going to flip the volume and you might as well do that at the same time. That way nobody misses nothing. Alright.
Pausing.